Water safety is one of the most extremely important things you can do to help prevent accidents with your child. Unfortunately, drowning is the #1 cause of accidental death in children between the ages of 1 to 4 years old. It's quick and it's often silent. Never, even for one moment, leave young children alone or in the care of another child when in or near bathtubs, pools, spas, wading pools, irrigation ditches, ponds, or any other standing water. If you're near a pool during swim times, designate a water watcher, a responsible adult who will stay within arm's reach of children in the water and is focused strictly on those children in the water. Place a pool fence completely around the pool or spa, isolating it from the house and not attached to the house. Remember, kids are creative. They'll climb out of windows through a doggy door and can easily slip out of an unlocked back door and into the backyard unattended. The fencing should have nothing attached or alongside of it, like patio furniture that they can climb up and over. Again, because kids can climb, fencing should be at least 4 feet high and have no footholds for kids to climb. If there's a gate involved, it should be self-closing, self-locking, and again, the handle should be high, 54 inches from the bottom of the gate, so kids cannot climb up to open the gate. Pool alarms are good, but a fence and vigilant adult supervision are the most important preventions. Anybody with a pool should learn CPR. And last big point, never trust flotation devices. They alone should not be the primary point of prevention. So, big question that comes up, what about swimming lessons? Yes, I think every child should learn how to swim. In part, when to start is an individualized decision for parents based on their child's development. When do we think a child might be more ready to start swimming? It depends on how often they're going to be near water, how they are doing emotionally and physically with maturity. For most kids under age 3 years of age, it's parent and child with very limited time that the child's head is underwater. Again, do not put a lot of faith in floaties. When you're in a class, it should be taught by certified teachers and the primary emphasis is fun. Now, some schools or programs will say they can teach survival skills in the water for kids under 12 months of age. Don't really have great evidence that these are effective to prevent drowning. And again, any type of swimming or drowning prevention is one piece of the puzzle. Pool fence, vigilant supervision are key. We know also through development that most kids by age 3 can float, and that might buy a few precious seconds, but they're not usually ready to start truly swimming with a crawl or paddle stroke until age 5. So remember, little kids are curious, that is wonderful. We want to keep them curious, but keep them safe. Arms reach near water, barriers near water, have door locks, toilet latches, empty buckets, pools, and tubs. Even 1 inch of water can cause drowning. The more that we can keep kids away from water, the less chance of any drowning. So be a good role model. As a parent, when we get older and deal with our teenage kids, be a good role model for them. Wear your life jackets. Never have children swim alone. Never have them dive into water head first. And older teens should understand how using alcohol or other drugs can increase the risk of drowning. So again, never leave children alone near water, never trust flotation devices, and always be vigilant.